Do you struggle with keeping your backyard organized? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about the 5 key spots to organize in your backyard here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granock. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And today we're going to talk all about the backyard because when we're filming this video, it is summertime. Summer is here. And if you are someone who likes to have friends and family over and entertain in your backyard, you're going to want to watch this video so that you know how to get your backyard ready for the summer season and beyond. So let's jump in and think about the backyard being a series of different zones. So instead of just thinking about just one big backyard, think about the different types of things that you do in your backyard. Your goal is to store items where you use them, making it easier to find items and faster to clean up when you're done. So let's talk about 5 common backyard zones and ideas about how to keep them organized. And the first zone would be if you have a garage or a shed, a place where you're storing items. So in the garage or the shed, you want to maximize your storage space. And the way that you could do that is by storing things vertically on the walls or suspending items from the ceiling. Whenever we use vertical storage space, we are increasing the amount of space available to organize items. You don't have to just use the floor or shelves. You can go tall and use the wall. So thinking of things that you could put on the wall, pegboards are a great resource for storing things like tools in a garage or a shed. Now you can store the less frequently used items, like things that are seasonal, higher up, so that you have your go-to items like tools with prime real estate space on the wall in an easy to access location. You can use a stand to store gardening tools in one space. Even a garden hose can be stored efficiently by using a kind of stand like you see in the photo on the left. Another project that you can use to organize your backyard is to think about the different kinds of sports equipment that you might have. So group your sports items together in the garage or the shed in see-through containers. You can also install hardware on the walls or the ceiling to mount items like fishing poles, camping gear, or hang bicycles. This project to consider are the outdoor toys that you might use around your home. So store like-minded toys together in see-through containers. And if they're water toys, you want to make sure that the container has a few holes in the bottom so that the water can drain. You don't want to get things damaged from water. Keep your toy containers in a cool, dry place to prevent the sun from fading your toys. Project is the grill. If you have any kind of grill, you want to make sure that you have all of your accessories and items that you need to be stored efficiently so that you can have what you need when you need it. So take your grilling equipment and store it in waterproof bags. That way you don't have to go back and forth all the time from the house, and you don't have to take up space in your kitchen for items that you only use for the grill. You can even purchase a waterproof stand or a small table so that you can store equipment next to the grill that you use all the time. Now, If you prefer to keep items in the house, another option is to get a shower caddy and use that as a way to carry your grill items back and forth between the house and the grill outside. And our final project that we're going to talk about today is your deck or your patio. So purchase a durable weather-resistant shelving unit and fill that with things like sunscreen, sunglasses, citronelle candles, paper plates, plastic utensils, whatever you need to entertain outdoors. And to protect those items from rain, you can use see-through storage container bins to house all these things so that they could stay outside. Group like items together in those containers so that you're not keeping your dinnerware in the same container, for example, as the bug repellent. And as long as this unit is waterproof and your containers are waterproof bins, you can keep this shelving unit outside, or you can keep it in the garage. Now you are ready to entertain guests outdoors at a moment's notice, and I hope that you found this video helpful. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go, so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.